In this chapter, we discuss about string functions. Okay, there are four main string functions are there. One is to find the length of the string length, strlen. Then the string concatenate. That means you can combine two strings. That means add two strings. A string copy. You can copy from one variable to other variable. That means from one character array to other character array. Or you can compare. You can compare two strings and find the result. Okay, but first let's understand about the string length. Okay, you can see in this example where there are two type to find out the string length. One is the string length function, another is size of. First example, you can see I had written alphabet character array with all the alphabets A to Z. That means we have 26 letters. You can see in the string length, using string length, if you find the length, you will get 26. That means the actual length of the all the alphabets. But in the second example, so you can see the size of alphabet. The size of alphabets given 27. That means it includes null character also along with the alphabets 26. That's why you are getting a 27. And in the second example, you can see the name uh, array is defined with 50 elements, 50 bytes size. All the alphabets is assigned. Again, the alphabet size is 26. So in the string length, yes, you get the actual length 26, but in the size of, you get the memory length assigned. That means 50 bytes. So it's giving 50 bytes. So that's why the string length will give the actual length. So you can use a string length instead of size of. The string length makes more sense. This is the example for you. So it gives actual length in this example. Okay. We'll move on to next example. The next function is a string cat. That means string combine. It combines two strings into one string cat. Cat means concatenate. String concatenate. Okay, yeah, you can, in this example you can see there are two strings, hello and word. If you print first, it printed only hello. Next, in the second example, you can see string cat, string 1 comma string 2. That means string 1 and string 2 will be copied to string 1 itself. And then print the string 1. When you print string 1, after combining string 1 and string 2 using string concatenate, that means string cat function, now you can see hello and word both are combined and copied into a string 1. Okay. Okay, let's move on to the next function, string copy. That means it copies the string from string 1 to string 2. We are copying. You can see in the line number 24, string copy strcpy, the function string 2 and string 1. That means copy string 1 to string 2. So string 1 will be copied to string 2, and you can see the length is given explicitly because string 2 will be empty. If you don't give any length, then the compiler may think zero length. That's why you have to explicitly mention the 20 bytes to accommodate allow word into the string 2. So string copy at the line number 24 will copy string 1 into string 2, and if you print string 2, now you can see in the output hello world will be copied to string 2 here. Okay. So last and final function here, string compare, strcmp. So this function will compare the two strings and give the result. So in the first example, at the line number 25, you can see the string compare string 1 and string 2. So that means it copies string 1 and string 2 and prints the result. If here in this case string 1 and string 2 is are equal, so that's why it returns 0 for strings are equal. In the second example, 28, line number 28, we compare string 1 and string 3, both are unequal. If strings are unequal, it returns 4, minus 4. You can see the output here. In the first case, it returns 0, that means strings are equal. Minus 4, strings are not equal. Okay, thank you.